In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail something went wrong. 5 minutes. If you're seeing the something went wrong message in Gmail, don't worry. This usually points to a simple problem with your browser's stored data, like cookies or cached site information. Clearing those out is often all it takes to get Gmail loading and sending again. I'll walk you through it step by step and explain what each action does so you know exactly what's happening. First, open your browser. Make sure you're on the computer where you're experiencing the issue. If Gmail is already open in a tab, leave it there for now. We'll come back to it. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window and click the three dot icon. This opens your browser's main menu. The layout might vary slightly depending on your browser, but the three dots are typically easy to spot. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where your browser keeps controls for how it stores and manages data. We're going here to reach the privacy options that affect how sites like Gmail behave. Inside Settings, click on Privacy and Security. This section manages cookies, cache, and other site data that help websites remember you and load faster. Sometimes that stored data becomes outdated or corrupt, which can cause the Gmail error you're seeing. Now click on Clear Browsing Data. You'll see options for what to remove. Since our goal is to fix Gmail without overdoing it, focus on the data that most directly affects site behavior. Select cookies and other site data. This is the key piece. Cookies handle your sign-ins and site preferences. If they get out of sync, Gmail can fail to load correctly. Keep in mind that clearing cookies will sign you out of most websites, so you might need to log in again afterward. That's normal and expected. When you're ready, click Delete Data or Clear Data to confirm. The process should only take a moment. If your browser asks you to close and reopen it, go ahead and do that. Finally, go back to your Gmail tab and refresh the page. Give it a moment to fully reload. In most cases, Gmail will open cleanly without the error because it's now working with fresh site data. That's it, you've cleared the conflicting data that was blocking Gmail. If the issue returns later, you can repeat these steps. And if you rely on saved passwords, make sure those are synced or backed up before clearing data so signing back in is quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got your inbox back on track.